Hiccups. The most annoying, involuntary, and frankly, disrespectful thing your body does. It's like a tiny, repetitive jump scare from your own diaphragm. But what even is it? A hiccup is just a sudden, involuntary contraction of your diaphragm muscle. Your vocal cords snap shut, and boom, you get that classic hic sound. Adorable, right? So why does it happen? Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even just getting too excited. Basically, your diaphragm gets a little too dramatic and throws a tantrum. It happens to literally everyone, even babies in the womb. Talk about starting the drama early. How do you stop this bodily betrayal? You could try holding your breath, drinking water upside down, or having someone scare you, which is just rude. Usually, they go away on their own. But if your hiccups last more than 2 days, maybe see a doctor. Otherwise, just ride the Follow for more body malfunctions.